я пришла с работы. Вот такие меня сувенирчики ожидают. Мишки, кошки на кровати. Husband играет play game.
You want to talk, Mother?
Huh? See my rooster? I adopted another pet. That's going to be our Christmas dinner.
It's a young one.
Yeah, but he's very friendly.
He ran the hell away from me.
Добрый день, это мы. Приветствую вас. Сегодня праздник у американцев. Но по-русски это может быть день индюшки. Сегодня мы будем кушать большую индюшку. Такая мне игрушка, Мишка. Муж подарил. Она так нравится. Видишь? Сегодня праздник большой американцев. Вот, наверное,
Thanksgiving.
благодарение богов готовят турку, чтобы благодарить богов за жизнь, которую нам Боги дали. Родственники.
We always worry about seeing these dogs in these glamorized roles in movies and TV. Remember, do your homework. You might think a dog looks great on screen, but like everybody else in Hollywood, with the exception of John, they always look better on the screen than
Just step aside.
most things. But remember, there's always
Turkey! Turkey! You like turkey? You like turkey?
go to the NPC website, npc.org.
Мы ждем. Такая у нас собачка красивая. Такая вот она красивая. Моя лапа. По-русски это моя любовь. Моя любовь. Добрый день. Я хочу вам показать сегодня, какой красивый у меня дом. Красивая трава, природы, которые мой муж для меня как бы разводит. Это белая розочка, белая. Такие красивые незабудочки. Нет, гвоздички. Наверное, гвоздички все назвали. Такие бутончики красивые. Тут наше окно в спальне, поэтому я каждый день вижу эти цветы, радуюсь им. Ну, это, наверное, моя единственная мечта, которая сбылась. Жить в стране, где вечное лето. Флорида — это тропики, вечное лето, тепло. Конец ноября. Видите, как тепло. Трава зеленая, цветы. Give me please key from my car. My husband, please.
Go ahead.
И хочу еще похвастаться. В моей машине не было музыки. Мой супруг мне подарил CD. Теперь я могу слушать диски, ехать дорогой, слушать диски русской музыки. Слушаю Высоцкого, Пугачеву, Ротару, еще раз Пугачеву. Я езжу очень долго, длинная дорога, 50 километров по нашему в одну сторону, 50 в другую. Это 100 километров каждый день. Поэтому музыка для меня, конечно, это бальзам на душу. Мне намного веселее, потому что от американского радио я уже немножко приустала. И сейчас, слушая русскую музыку, я как бы заново ожила. за Карина. All these cars, show. It's car husband, truck, brother, брата и mother car. Здесь родственник приехал.
Cousin.
Cousin. Племянник, значит. Старшего брата сын приехал.
Brother work at place, change tires.
Меняет колеса. Change tires. На дороге, когда авария, он меняет колеса. Вот такая работа.
There's garage, husband clean up.
Это гараж. Мой муж чистить там, он сказал об этом.
Okay.
Это наш гараж. Как кресло у нас тут. Можно даже не ходить, а я вас люблю и скучаю. Надеюсь, скоро увижусь с вами. Родина есть родина. Интересно здесь, конечно, но скучно. Душа черствеет. Пока.
Пока.
It's her nephew. Nephew, not cousin.
Nephew.
Nephew. This is Mike's boy.
I know.
You met Mike. This is his
I
boy.
know.
He looks like a hippie.
He does
You
not.
know, I used to look a lot like a hippie when I had long hair.
Такая молодежь.
The back is totally gone.
You ever met my wife? No, I haven't. You never met my wife? No.
Go bird.
And what kind of wine did you buy Luba?
She's drinking it.
Huh? Well, ask her to bring it out, because I'm saying I'm into this.
Grammy's gonna go. Don't touch my beard.
Scare me.
He ain't gonna bite much.
Beer. When did you ever see me drink beer?
Finish? Here, I'll get him.
Did you get a picture of her with her wedding doll?
Complicated for me.
I don't know.
What's that?
Final Fantasy.
And show you guys some stuff. Yeah.
Так у нас зайчик красивый.
Bird biter?
Won't make it, but
Сегодня у меня что-то не так не
it's weird. They're making a sequel.
держится.
Comes out next year. Final Fantasy X2. It's like a continuation of the story.
Не знаю почему.
Pretty sweet.
Не хочется.
You got any codes for?
Ready?
Say hello, happy people.
Привет! You Russian?
Why not?
Why not?
There's a lot of Russian people in this house and there's American.
Yeah. I'm not American.
She's not American.
Я русская женщина. Я не смогла поменять свою душу на американца.
Well, I don't drink wine.
What are you doing, Lyubov?
I don't like wine.
That's nice, Ricky.
And water.
Give me a kiss. Give kiss, Nadia.
So are you still seeing that girl with the kid trick?
I was never seen her. Everybody says that.
Okay. Talk. You gotta talk louder, Luba. Dishwasher.
Сегодня мы елку нарядили. Смотрите, какую красивую. А? Красивая новогодняя елка. Только что закончили ее украшать.
Well, Frankie, I need you some.
Вчера пришла, увидела вот такой светильничек. Ангелочек. Ангелочек. Мне он очень понравился. И после этого, когда он мне понравился, мой муж мне купил другой светильник. Вот какой. Я проснулась, а у меня в комнате другой светильник. Точно такой же, только больше размером. Ангел. Новогодний светильничек такой. Красивый. Очень красиво, празднично. В грубом звучит Merry Christmas.
Okay.
Я подъезжаю сегодня домой, а свой дом не узнаю. Такая красота, огоньки новогодние, розочки распустились. Чуть похолодало, розы расцвели, огоньки кругом. Merry Christmas 25-го. Сегодня 1 декабря, а 25-го Merry Christmas. Вот уже наряжают дома. Вот наш дом такой красивый. Елку видно вон в окне. А розочки такие красивые. Розочки.
What you do?
Вот здесь. Very beautiful. You like it?
Mm-hmm. See tree and window?
I say about window.
The rose is very much healthy. Like cold weather.
Like?
Mm-hmm.
On the tree on?
Yeah, turn on. And then the tile I put up. Nice beautiful backsplash.
I think it looks nice in here.
And stuff on the TV.
Sashi.
Lyubov with her girlfriend. Give her a kiss, Sash.
The raiders primed the remaining explosives in case the Japanese attempted to board.
Antenna.
Huh?
Antenna. Your scar antenna. I don't
Nah,
need
you can't
inside.
see the antenna. Lyubov.
А,
There you go. See where it says record here now?
соседский дом праздничный. Снимаем мы вот такие, может быть, не так будет все видно, но такие украшения новогодние около домов. Продолжаем обзор украшенных домов. Домик снимаем. Огни очень красивые, но на камере они, конечно, получаются бледные. Украшения у каждого дома. Каждый старается красивее соседа сделать. Очень красивые здесь цвета у этого дома. Они все видно. Самые красивые. Это на нашей улице. Сказочные огненные герои. Вот такой еще мне дом понравился. Красивые так. Цвета такие. Дом. Вот такой хаос. Вот такое. Все красивое. Merry Christmas написано.
Claus dance?
Can you find a skunk?
Это робот такой. Санта-Клаус.
Like a little Russian girl back there.
А?
See this behind? A little Russian woman.
Такие автоматики. Ой, мой муж разговаривает с хозяйкой. Ее не видно. Он закрыл. О.
До свидания. Okay.
Сегодня 7 декабря, годовщина нашей помолвки, нашей совместной жизни. Я пришла сегодня с работы, вот сейчас муж мне купил цветы, открытку, которую зачитал. Очень такой интересный, приятный текст. Ну и традиционно вино и конфеты. Остальное будет позже. Пока. Пока.
Come on, anniversary people.
Just open the top. Top.
Yeah, it's a 6-pack of beer. You want it?
No, she wouldn't let me.
Open that. No, just open.
Open wrapping. They want to see it.
Understand.
Open there.
Speak English.
Good eye.
No, I'm not stupid. Speak English.
Hey, why are you behind her? Get over.
I open.
You want help?
Yeah.
Da, husband, help.
No, you fruits and nuts. I'm behind you because I'm 3 times her size.
Well, yeah, we're saying behind her.
What is
Put
that?
some nuts up. That's your goodie box. You haven't got enough.
Save вам кадру по...
I did.
Tree? No, I don't want to sew tree. No, this is anniversary.
All kind of
Now
shit.
you feed your stomach to your head.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, now you're cutting the floor. That's not supper. And you read the card.
Yeah, okay.
Just rip it.
Open.
And it's
Why are
Christmas
you trying to
Eve.
be so nice about it? Just tear it open.
Rip it, yes, Da.
There you go.
What is it?
Do you like that?
Yeah.
Oh, let's hope so, 'cause it's all done.
Get that, you got it.
Who wants to take your picture, guys?
There, we get this off of
Get
Russia.
all together.
Turn around, smile.
Here's her stand.
Say привет.
We got the couch here.
We got the drunk.
All the cousins.
Американские родственники приехали к нам в гости.
Stand up. Get up. Get up. Bring me sick. Go on. Dan's gonna take your picture. Go on, get your picture.
Wave, Scott.
Say hi, Dan.
Say привет.
You'll find the boy.
Привет.
Say hi.
How's that?
Here comes the girls.
Russian.
No, I don't.
Oh, you lie.
There's the girls, Dan.
Speak Russian.
Well, let me finish one area.
Нет.
And Chris acting all cool. I just want more money. Yeah.
I just don't want to speak it because I'm not Russian.
What the hell? What the hell?
I haven't been there yet.
Stay back.
It's laid out.
Sing him a song.
Go
She's on camera, kid.
It's 2 pictures. complicated.
Think about it. If you want to be rich, you're in front of millions of people. You could be on national TV.
Each one of you go with 4 bedrooms, living room, and a kitchen.
My daughter, my
So where do they come to the sleep though?
Yeah, you'll be an international star. God, now you're scaring the shit out of us.
Come on, dance. Show them your belly. They'll be like, whoa, look at that little girl.
You look like a little Japanese girl with your eyes squinted and shit.
Hey, you can do Chinese. Go like this.
What are you trying to do? Blow your head up?
That's how she smiled at us.
What the hell is she doing?
I have a picture of her.
It's too complicated for the screen.
Chill out, what you yelling for? Lay back, it's all been done before. When you're talking to me one-on-one, you become somebody else. From everyone else watching your back, like you can relax. Trying to be cool, you look like a fool. Yeah.
Pretty good. You just take a breath.
No.
Why are you poking yourself in the cheeks?
Here's the minute.
Now we got another one here.
What are you gonna do?
You don't want to hear me say.
This is
Okay, Chunky. Boy, there's a lot of beef in this picture.
Dan,
What?
you saw it. Quit picking on me, Dan. I can't help it.
What are you gonna do, spank me?
When you run around in your shorts, we'll spank you.
Oh, now coming down I-4, you're gonna take exit 192 to Lake Bonus District, turn right. Yeah,
You probably know right where it is.
He does.
What?
That's the
Go to their
condo.
resort.
It's a resort. I keep calling
There are
it.
2 villas.
Where's that at? St. Augustine?
No, where they're going tomorrow.
What you doing, Lyubov?
What do you have to work? Do you work?
I'm on call next week. So I can't do nothing all next week unless I can, maybe I can swap with somebody.
Don't do that.
Like
When
you
you
work
get
on
any
Friday
reason,
night.
it's
We're gonna be there till Sunday. You could spend Saturday.
That sounds beautiful.
Here, want to read it?
Put it in color with a picture card?
This is all the.
Luba's gonna help.
It's in Orlando. It's the Sheridan.
What are you two up to? Huh?
We had a picture, but I forget the picture.
Oh God.
Say hello to Russia.
Hi, Russia.
That's where this tape's going.
Really?
Yeah, it's going to my wife's family in Russia.
Wow.
What kind of game you playing?
Grand Theft Auto Vice City.
Oh, you stole the dune buggy?
Yeah.
Run somebody over. That was really good. There you go.
Run that cop over.
Who gives a shit?
Run a cop.
Look at Dan where?
That's what's
I'll just
Look at
I'll devote
cousin
10 to the floor and sleep on the
Danny.
little couch.
Oh, color and butterfly.
He's your cousin?
That was a nice
Oh,
offer.
be
No,
nice.
she's going with me.
Yeah, I know.
I might crawl in with you at midnight.
Now you go out in the field and start checking.
Oh, she. You know what?
Well, yeah, just out there now.
You have paper plates? Huh? You have paper.
This is a computer. This is mail. That is a printer. That is Susie, my grandma's cat. That is Carly, the goofy one. Oh yeah. Yo. She is very goofy. Don't do that. And that is my grandma.
Go out there.
That is
Out there in the
Liz,
kitchen.
working in a book, drawing. Gary. Yeah, and again. Oh, baby. I played with your heart. Oops, I did. Smile at the camera, guys.
Look at the camera. Give the camera a look.
Again.
Brittany.
Oh, yeah. We're going to look at each other.
Oh, yeah.
Who's a dog? That is a wreath. Picture. Picture.
I can pick her up by herself.
I don't want to eat it.
You're not getting no snacks. Oh, you better eat it while it's there. It's going to be gone.
She'll have 2 pork chops.
Smiley faces.
Yeah.
Cuckoo clock. A
Shatters on your teeth and
present. These are all presents. They are cool. They are beautiful. Cool presents. That is called an angel. Person in a dress. You. That is a chair with dolls and bears on it. Car move. This is a lawn house. This is Santa Claus. Pots. Drinks. This is a caddy. Stop! Who does not like his pictures getting taken. Roses.
What has to be clean?
Look at Todd all dressed up. And there's Auntie. Huh?
Come on, sit down and we'll say a little blessing. Dan,
You doing your needle?
come on, Dan, sit down.
A little blessing.
A little prayer. Won't hurt.
Okay.
Вот такой кусок мяса мне отвалили,
Hands get stuck.
который закрыл, ну, все, что там под ним. Не знаю, как я его есть, но буду пилить.
We kill cow. There's all the Christmas presents. Sit around the tree.
You know, just stack, they gotta have space so they can wash.
There's the tree, pretty little tree.
No light. Now yes.
Yeah,
Ага.
they drunk right.
People drunk. Don't see you play.
Get tied in the kitchen.
Crazy Russian people.
Look at these. Look at the twins. One's got dyed red hair, and the other one's probably got dyed red hair.
She's a
Who
blonde.
doesn't have dyed hair?
I don't.
Well, Nadia doesn't either, does she?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Smile, Lyubov. What are you doing now?
That's the in thing. Dyed hair.
Give me a kiss, Lyubov.
Did you ever see that red, that deep red with the show with nothing like that?
Начинаем сегодня мы открывать
I don't know whose these are.
подарки рождественские. Решаем, кто первый начнет это делать. Подарков очень много. Всем интересно, кто кому что подарил. Выбрали мы моего мужа Санта-Клаусом. Он вот красивый. Такая у нас елка красивая. А?
Раскрывай все,
Take her glass of wine for her.
Давай, ставь на.
Okay, yeah. Give that to Luba. Luba comes in.
Oh, 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 oh.
Those are pretty fancy pants you got there, Luba. Are they new? Are they new pants?
There you go. We trained her good.
I have experience now. Before you say I'm not good, open.
Too slow.
I tried to tell wife, rip it open, honey.
She's doing the bullshit lipping.
Come on.
Oh, pretty.
You don't like?
Outright size.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you very much. They're garbage.
That's the mother's deal.
What, you want to get a black garbage bag? You want to get a black garbage
Well,
bag?
don't drop it.
You like that style, Nadia? Todd, that's black garbage bag for the garbage.
No, I'm dead.
Smell good.
For bathroom.
Yours present.
Smell good. That'll smell good. You'll smell
Thank you
good.
very much.
On label it says who present from, Lyubov.
She's going to smell good, Dan.
Good.
Yeah.
I gotta sleep with her.
No.
Mm-hmm. Hey Todd, could you bring me an empty can?
What?
An empty can. Pablo.
Do you like that kind? That smells good too. Oh God.
Right on your arm.
What are you doing? What are you
Couldn't
doing?
have just brought me a freaking can like I asked you.
From yours? From yours?
No, from Daddy.
Yeah?
Daddy, Dan, Todd.
You don't like
Yeah, I like it.
garbage?
Yeah.
Now you know what you're gonna do. You're gonna put your arm in that.
No, you're gonna.
No, I'm not.
Everything.
Danny,
Goddamn garbage, man.
alright, down with the camera. Just not it. Or move it, take camera.
Since I crippled? Yeah, I figured you would.
Record?
I don't know.
Yes, I know.
I know like camera.
I know.
Where are you?
Dan, make sure this thing's
I'm here.
working.
Yeah, the red light's on, it's recorded.
Okay.
Yeah, record. Yeah.
Watch this. Watch Dan.
From my brother Mike, California.
Okay.
I just told Todd his isn't here yet.
What? What? Penn State, right? Right, Dan? Penn State?
Here, get over there.
Who?
You,
For
get over there. Yeah. Open it. Nadia, take picture.
Oh, is
Get
that-
over.
Oh, Santa came and
let's
seen
open it.
Todd?
Yes.
Oh, wait. You
Open.
wait. You can't. Yeah, wait. Take pictures of what's Daniel.
Okay, I watch
Daniel
it.
Limber. Well, why don't you flick out the screen?
Wooden plaque of a football stadium.
Screen?
See? Football stadium.
Football stadium.
Yeah.
Notre Dame, right?
What is it?
No,
What
it's
do you
just
do?
ornament to look at.
Notre Dame, right?
Look at.
No, watch it, there's goalposts there, see? Very delicate.
Oh,
No, Dallas Stadium, Texas Stadium. Thank you, Michael.
You understand how?
Yes.
what?
You know?
Was that
I
Irvin?
know what it is.
What's that, in Irvin?
You show
Yeah.
people.
Let me see
I
that.
did show. I'll walk it over. I don't want it to break. Careful, there's goalposts in there, so don't go
It's
break.
Irvin.
Yeah, Texas Stadium.
Yeah, football.
Football team play.
Listen,
Dallas,
on your
Dallas.
listen.
Is that the team you like? Is,
Dallas Cowboys.
oh, it's the
regular
Dallas
ornament
Stadium?
like this.
Okay, I see.
Will you sit
Look
down
at
and
it.
open
Ah,
Understand now?
please.
it, please? Diane?
Yeah.
Oh, me?
Yes.
From
So
Santa?
I can show my hand.
Yeah, I beat him up the other night. Caught him trying to get in the back of my truck and get a tire fixed.
Распечатывать надо.
Давай.
Oh, what a pretty bar.
А что там, Люба?
Texas Stadium. Even a little goalpost and everything.
Wait, let me see my glasses.
There's a big star in the center?
Yep.
Okay.
You sit down and open that, please.
Mike gave you
Got
that?
the underground garage entrances and everything.
Mike gave you that?
Yeah.
No, I don't want
От брата.
That's different.
От кого?
От брата. Калифорния. From what?
From Santa Claus.
From Santa Claus.
Told you. From Santa Claus.
Okay,
Santa Claus.
sit down with Dan.
Oh, Mickey Mouse.
Микки Маус?
You good?
Pretty.
You good?
Very pretty, Dad. Thank you. Mickey in the winter.
Wow.
Where's the pretty?
See, you're going too
Santa
fast,
Claus
Mom.
love you.
Going too fast.
He's ice
Going
skating.
too, way entirely too
I
fast.
am, I just want to get sorted.
No, Ma, you want to rush through this so you can get it done. Just chill out, relax.
I'm trying to cipher through to get you two together as a group.
Come on.
This here is for you and Lyubov and Diane.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, I look them. No,
Yeah, she loves them. Yes, she's been looking and feeling.
I watch.
Well, now open.
You don't like Christmas?
Nadia, you ready?
Yeah, it's like
Todd, did you open that gift? Open it.
No, I didn't.
Would you
I'm over
please?
here with my wife.
Well, open it, Daddy. Sit down. Relax.
sex
What do you
toys.
want?
What am I
Yeah,
saying?
Oh, look at that.
Надя, ты сюда?
Okay, yeah.
Hey, Lyubov.
Такая корзиночка.
Pretty.
Oh, you got presents.
From you?
And now, please,
Santa come see Nadia.
have her sit down.
Hope you enjoy it.
Yeah, thank you.
As soon as I get to see what it is.
Okay, I need Nadia and Todd now to sit down.
Man, I just got sat down. Now I gotta get back up. Okay.
Well, I'm sorry,
Hey,
we didn't
Lyubov,
get last.
can I see?
Open them up like that.
There's
You two
cowbell.
up, Nadia and Todd.
You ain't got nothing for Nadia?
Yeah, turn it off, Nadia. I'll take a picture of you and Todd.
Thank you.
What are you doing?
Open, come on.
Быстро, а то я открывала медленно, они смеются.
What? It's rich.
Быстро.
Come on, you wimp.
Stop.
What is it?
Hickory Farm.
Lyubov, you're in the
Good
way.
stuff.
Good stuff.
Show us, Todd.
Okay.
All right, Nadia's sitting here.
Just hold the box up.
Todd.
Good stuff.
Mmm.
No,
I thought that was
no,
Lubas.
this is Lou. I'm sorry.
That's Lyubov.
Todd, get that Mary Kay bag for Nadia while she's sitting there.
Maybe not finished today, huh?
This is from
You're
Todd.
making out like a trooper.
This is for
from
you
me.
from Todd.
Actually, her trooper sits out in her car, $300 worth.
Well, let me see. You know, like?
Oh, the cat's entertaining us.
What? This yours. You break. Oh well.
What?
Okay,
For Nadia.
I can't read it. For Nadia.
Yeah.
Okay, because I could read it.
Wall. What wall was that, Dottie?
Where'd you guys go to get this, Mom?
Where'd you get the Hickory Farm?
Hickory Farms.
Yeah.
Come on, just open the
Over
bloody.
in
Offline.
Seminole,
Yeah.
Seminole Town.
Oh.
Надя говорит, что очень красивая бумага. Very, very good
That's
paper.
Luba. Luba.
Yeah.
Luba from Nadia. Thank you.
Paper.
Rip it open. Rip it open. Rip it open.
Very pretty paper.
Yeah.
Throw it on the floor.
It's freaking paper.
I pick up.
What's happening, Sashi?
Okay, there's no name tag on this.
Well, who the hell's is it?
Stick your finger in and find
It's
out.
your
Did
wrapping,
you
Ma.
wrap it?
It's wrapping paper, but everybody used it.
No, I used.
Open for you.
Is it
What
heavy?
this is first.
Oh no, to Todd from Luba and Dick. Todd?
You have interesting?
Wait, I'm
Yeah,
not
we
going
didn't see
my
this
way.
yet.
Okay. Well, you can't open the play right now.
What is it? What is it?
Jewelry box.
Have interesting people.
Come on, show us. It's all taped up.
Careful with it, Todd. It's a glass face.
Careful.
It's a glass face.
Oh, I just seen the Velcro.
A jewelry box?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, pretty.
It's just for me. Can I have it?
Isn't that pretty?
Pretty.
See?
Show Aunt Diane.
Okay, thank you. Very pretty.
That's nice.
Why don't you open something, Mother?
I am. I got my
Может, Надя войдет все твое золото, не знаю. Мне сказали, что у тебя его очень много. Ну, девчата говорили. Ну, возьму, может, войдет. Не
We
знаю.
didn't know what the hell to get you, Todd, so that would have fit in.
А?
Can I open this?
Let Todd finish. I can only record one at a
We're
time.
in the same area.
Okay, now y'all watch.
Now remember, Todd. Todd.
Watch
Watch
American
how
open
fast he get
present.
it open.
Todd. We
One.
couldn't figure out what the fuck to get you, and there wasn't no Penn State shit.
Yeah, I know.
1, 2,
From what?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's for you?
Yeah, duh. I like
А,
And I got you Stanley.
What is it? A tool?
это мы с Дэниелом, да, тоже купили.
Oh,
Набор.
nice. Lovely.
Be happy.
Now go out there and get your Christmas present out in the garage.
Yeah,
Yeah, well, you go out there after
okay.
it.
Drag it in.
Yeah.
Oh, no, Danny wanted it wrapped. He got a toolbox for his truck, the size of a coffin. He
видишь,
wanted
ему
it.
нравится.
He's got coffee for his truck. Yeah.
Коробку разбирать, значит, понравилось. Ну и слава богу.
Now, is there a place to put them out there? Or?
Definitely. Sure is right in the back of my
He's got the case.
Sure.
Positive.
You would smell good, too.
2 cents.
More
Oh,
smells.
no, that's the cover.
That's the cover.
That's the cover. Put the cover on it.
Sashi, out. Go.
Didn't get any.
Oh, Kelly's here, too.
Okay,
Stay
Mother.
high. Oh.
Well, Kelly, you got paper. Give me a break.
That's nice.
What the hell did we buy, Mother?
Nice.
I need a set.
Oh, the mini one.
What the hell did we
You know I
get?
was doing my teeth collection.
See, we got it shaped like?
Huh?
See the pattern on it?
Yeah, the roses.
What is it? A teapot?
Careful with them. It's tiny.
to go in my curio.
Oh, that's
It's
cute.
tiny. So you might want to not play with it. Okay,
I
bring it.
say I don't. I wanted to look at one little piece.
Well, you should have seen him watching us as we open the shit.
Hey, that's the only way I buy if I open it. Oh, look at
Oh, we're not
that.
done yet. There's still more there.
Oh, that's
Look.
cute.
Oh, still no done.
They're so cute. Oh.
So when we come home and catch you having a tea party with your dolls, we're going to commit you.
We ain't done yet. We're going to tea party tomorrow.
We ain't done yet.
Thank you.
Can I have that bag?
Yes.
Yeah?
Well, I got my
No,
teapot,
right there.
teapot here. I got
Oh,
that one, and I got that there, and they'll go in the curio for that. Thank you.
Give more.
Рассматривают подарки, как их можно применить.
Jeez. No, it's the wrong color for funeral.
Подарков еще много. Вот. Сейчас начнем рассматривать следующие подарки.
Sit.
Вот. Так, сейчас будет распаковывать подарок.
What are you?
Oh, what's it?
What is it?
Oh, smash hockey.
Show for camera.
Danny, open that one.
Play game?
He's done. Open that. Open the window. I'm hot.
Сейчас мой муж будет раскрывать очередную коробочку. Коробочку очередную.
Come on. Good for you, pussy. Open it.
Много играет.
I look like mommy taught you.
Публика просит его открывать быстро. Он открыл.
Show it. Hold it up.
Шоу.
I had to get a toy for the little boys.
From the dollar store.
Come on. Hold it up.
I'll trade you.
No, you won't. Kiss my ass. She always liked me better than you.
Yes.
Oh, cool. You can play
She
this
never
one.
liked either one.
Yeah, for you.
Аля тут сейчас будет открывать коробочки маленькие.
Yeah, I don't remember what this goes for last.
Давайте.
Oh, mess making's good.
Открывать.
Yeah.
Коробку.
Wait a minute, let me get back here for that one. Hold back.
Все работают, все ковыряются в
As I say,
коробке.
it's up.
Okay.
Detroit house.
PlayStation games. And then I got
Мама
my dishes,
отчитывается,
pots
кто
and
кому чего
pans. And
подарил.
Poor baby.
Сейчас мы еще очередной ей подарок вручаем. Она сейчас его открывает.
I just gave it to you, didn't I?
I gave it back to the old one.
I got it. Oh, here it is.
Now, you didn't do this last year, though, did you?
Очередной подарок маленький.
Here you go with your teapot.
Oh, look at that. I don't want to see a picture.
Глянь.
I don't want to see a picture. I want to see a real thing.
Счастливые такие.
She gets all
Ну, ты
vocal.
понимаешь, вот у них, да? Много им не надо. Ой.
Oh, make noise. Sorry.
Exciting.
Невестка моя смотрит, как
What is it?
They're two like bases to both teapots.
She said she bought a lot of that.
муж сидит, фотографирует ее.
Oh, pretty.
Вау.
See?
Oh, aren't they
Aren't
pretty?
they pretty? And they're for my curios and what have you. Oh, thank you.
Вот мы купили набор, две коробки тех, вот чашечек и это.
You want to put that styrofoam?
Yeah?
I got my present.
Careful, he's got boo-boo.
Kiss to death.
Wow.
She just ate doo-doo out of cat box.
Sashi, go, go.
Just giving her a kiss.
Моя невестка мне подарила.
These women are going to smell mighty good this winter.
Oh, pretty.
Oh, perfume. Where'd you find perfume? Nice. Smell.
But my present don't smell.
Where are they from?
French.
French?
No perfume.
О, Артист.
Да.
Джокер.
Да.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
You like that movie?
Yeah. I like. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Он так мне нравится, такой.
Get what?
Мой супруг вот начинает. Кошка лазит там. Муська, Муська, моя Муська. Открываем. Муська.
Нет.
Yes.
Oh, cool.
Нет.
I ain't gotta run it.
I never saw
Lord of the Rings?
We haven't, but he's read the books.
Is that Lord of the Rings?
Lord of the Rings.
Кассета.
More like that.
Новая кассета.
That's pretty much all her.
My earrings? You like my earrings? I'm homosexual now.
You look it.
Yeah, you wanna kick your ass?
Now I'm showing everybody up north.
Yeah, the Dan,
Especially that one.
Dan had
I'm gonna have it blown up big.
and now they'll never come the fuck down.
Богатая сестра приехала, чтобы все это...
I look like a homosexual now.
Даже неплохо, не на плохом уровне у них все это.
Look at mine.
Mary fucking.
Ну вот видишь.
Yeah, that one's for the scrapbook.
You can try it. Now they put me in.
Little Nadia.
Ah, now I got for feet.
Todd, put the hand down.
Oh,
Nice Christmas.
Саш,
You say mine all ripped, no good?
yeah.
You already did me.
Осталось два подарка одинаковых.
From Santa?
Мама подарила, да.
This
И
from
я.
Santa, not from you.
Everything went from
Открыла.
Santa. It's hard to
Это не мой, мама. Ну, она раньше купила. Мы поехали, купили, не схватили ее. Но он не стал меня обижать, чтобы не сдавать. Ну, посмотрим. Ноги у него были, а то у меня.
All right, Dan, hold up and look at me.
Обоим, что ли? Ну, будем теперь он одним, я другим пользоваться.
Thank you,
Это
Santa.
мама купила.
See?
Моего мужа. Ну, дешевле наполовину.
Guess where my feet are gonna be tonight?
Вот, смотри, вот теперь у меня другая бумага. Посмотри. Ну, вот, там же, где и мама, но никогда этого найти не могла. Двухсторонняя она. С одной стороны такая, с одной одна и та же бумага.
From my beautiful wife.
Да, вот мы такую бумагу нашли.
This is from Santa for me and you, Lyubov.
Надя, where you buy paper?
You buy.
Надя, ask me.
God damn, this is you could swing from the trees with.
That paper's tough.
Я ему хотела, понимаешь?
One for each foot now.
Well, you can do it together.
Yeah.
Together, both of you.
Oh, trust me, they won't get wasted.
Теперь у нас ноги будут здоровые, длинные, красивые.
Thank you, mother. Thank you, Lyubov.
I didn't buy
Он
that.
так
You
решил нас
welcome.
не обидеть нас обоих.
there.
I'll be in my room
They're
now.
different.
Мама купила для
Danny's
ноги, я
going
купила
to the
для
sauna
другой.
for his
Я
feet.
купила для себя.
One for each foot.
Now, is there anything in that
Пятки болят.
good for rubbing it on?
Уже маме
Like
не
a
пользуется,
bracelet
я
kind of
свою.
thing?
Oh,
The
the jets and
rubbing
massagers, the bubbles, the massages.
Kitten,
Что
get
делать?
in here.
Что делать?
Kelly,
You
get
can heat it, and it
Sausage
vibrates, and
I need one
Будем ноги
that
парить.
scrapes the-
Вот, подарки мы разобрали, сейчас решают, куда же елку деть.
Зачем же ее убирать?
Шутка.
why the hell are you saving the boxes?
Смеются, можно ее выбросить на
Well,
улицу.
no, we cut that way down.
No, it would. You're
Какие у нас
No, we did,
елка.
really.
No, hell
What?
no.
I get my presents when I go home.
Oh, you? I don't wait. I don't even want to buy you anymore.
It'd be easy
Наряжали
to
мы
just
ее с
take your
мамой.
stuff to your room.
I'll
We
say.
wish you a Merry Christmas.
You always
We
run your
wish
mouth in
you
the
a
bathroom.
Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. That's it. That was fun.
Правильно,
Hey,
вот.
Rudolph?
Go ahead.
Ну, хочу в заключении поздравить всех моих родных и близких с наступающим новым 2003 годом. Время безжалостно летит, и тем не менее жизнь продолжается. Я хочу, чтобы все были здоровы, счастливы. Завтра день рождения у моей дочери Ани. Ей уже будет 23 года. Я понимаю, что это уже взрослая дочь, но тем не менее она в моей памяти остается маленькой, непослушной, озорной девчонкой. Я хочу, чтобы все-таки, Аня, у тебя произошли изменения в жизни в лучшую сторону, чтобы ты обрела покой и уверенность в жизни, чувствовала себя уверенной. и самостоятельной все-таки женщиной, молодой женщиной. Также хочу увидеться с родителями. Очень хочу, мечтаю отдохнуть себя в моей глубинке, на родине, поваляться на поляне, в лесу, посмотреть на березы, на солнце. Именно вот этой тишины и родного воздуха, что ли, мне не хватает. Я надеюсь, что все-таки в ближайшее время я с вами увижусь в новом 2003 году с одноклассниками, с друзьями. Я хочу, чтобы у всех у вас Новый год принес вам больше счастья, радости. Я постаралась на кассете показать вам, как мы здесь пытаемся праздновать Новый год. Ну, не Новый год, а Merry Christmas, это по-нашему Рождество, которое у нас будет 7 декабря. У них это главный праздник. Сам Новый год у них достаточно скромно проходит, а Merry Christmas у них очень популярный. Я постаралась вам показать на кассете, как они украшают, готовятся к этому празднику. Как мы здесь старались тоже все, чтобы было весело. Ну, что могла, сняла. Будьте счастливы, не забывайте меня. Я вас люблю и надеюсь, что скоро с вами увижусь. Спасибо. Спасибо.